Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something from the past. This is not available anymore, guys. Lautie Noiz Nano Zirc spinner in the house. Can you believe that? There are only 199 made of these guys, and it has become like a grail. You can't really find this fella anymore. It's sold out. It's gone. So don't ask because it's not available. It might be available to buy on the secondary market, but you can't buy this new. Once they're done, they're done. And that is the Lautie Noiz Nano. You get the Noiz OG, right? And you get the Noiz E in one picture, just to show you how can be a spinner that cool. So you have three variants for this fella, but here we are checking out the Nano with these glowing balls in a Zirc configuration, blasted 199 made of this spinner. It's a super cool one because it's not as big as the OG, it's smaller, it's lighter. In fact, let's check out the weight. For this guy, you get, like 78.2 grams, sure, as opposed to, yeah, look at that, almost double. What about this fella right over here? Yeah, that's the boss. So here you have this guy, which is also smaller, and it's gonna be more pocket friendly, right? So 33 millimeters, and you get 23 millimeters in height. So not too big in the pocket, spins like crazy, and extremely quiet. It's gonna spin for a long time. You can let it spin on the table as well. When you do it on the table, it's gonna just dissipate the sound through the table, and it's gonna be louder, of course, like quieter, and of course louder. So just spin it in your hand if you don't want to annoy like your neighbors, and you're gonna be fine. No sound whatsoever. These ridges are very cool because you can just use your middle finger just to give it a spin, and it works wonders. So nice grip from these two buttons, pretty cool and cute shape and form, really sounding very, very quiet. Feels great in the hand because of the Zirc weight added to it, and the blasted finish is also my favorite. There's no fingerprints left like you might have, you see, in this polished surface, which is, I mean, of course, gorgeous, but probably the blasted is just more fingerprint friendly. This is truly an iconic design, a classic one, very, very rare, hard to get, and this is the Lautie Noiz Nano in Zirc. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.